Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can pin a video using VLC. What this means is using full screen softwares like Games, Adobe's, and so many more while still watching your video. So to do that, simply start by opening any media you would like. Then simply click on Video, and then enable Always on top. And if want you can resize your video and open any software or for example your files, you will see that your video is still appearing on top. So for now you can use everything while your other files are open. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.